Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Weight Watchers profile for successful weight loss. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Weight Watchers account on the website or app. Navigate to your profile settings, typically found in the menu. Look for the option labeled Account Settings or Profile. Once there, find the section dedicated to your personal information. Review your current weight, height, and goal weight. If any of this information has changed, update it accordingly. Next, scroll down to find your dietary preferences and lifestyle choices. Adjust these settings to reflect any new goals or changes in your diet. This may include preferences for vegetarian or low-carb options. Now, proceed to your tracking settings, which record your daily food and activity. Consider whether you want to reset your daily points allocation. If so, find the option to reset your points. Confirm the reset if prompted, understanding that this will clear your previous data. Next, review your weekly points allowance and adjust as needed. Check for any additional features like challenges or community support options. Join any new groups or challenges that align with your reset goals. Finally, take a moment to set a new motivational reminder or goal on the app. This can help keep you accountable and focused on your weight loss journey. Complete the process by logging out and then logging back in to ensure all changes are saved. Starting fresh with an updated profile can enhance your Weight Watchers experience and boost your success in weight loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.